Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Ruby. So finally I'm back. If you are new to my channel, you don't know where I disappeared, right? So let me tell you. My final examinations of my college had arrived, so this is why I had taken a break. I had taken a little break from YouTube because I needed to study, I needed to prepare for my exams, right? So this is the reason why I was not active on my YouTube channel for so many days. Not so many days, it's been 20 to 25 days I'm not active. Okay, so anyways, now I'm here, and from now onwards I will try to make new videos and I'll try to help you improve your English. And if you have any topic in your mind, just let me know in the comments. Okay, so I'll try to help you. So let me tell you, it's been 5 days my exams had been completed and I did not even post any videos. So let me tell you the reason. I was just feeling a bit hesitation. There are so many topics in my mind, but still I was hesitating to find the proper one to make my comeback video. So I thought that okay, let's share with you whatever things had happened with me during my exams. So yeah, today I'm here to share with you those things that had happened with me during my exams. So first, very interesting and important thing is that my channel got monetized. Yes, this is the very exciting thing, right? And this is the very beautiful thing with me. This had happened. So I'm really happy, I'm really glad, and most importantly I'm really thankful to you, because without your support it was never easy and it was never possible, right? You guys supported me a lot when I was not making any videos. Still you guys were watching my videos, you guys were commenting on my videos, and also you were admiring me, and I got so many motivation from that. So yeah, so many things had happened with me during my exams. Like I completed my 30-day English speaking challenge on 19th July and today is 12th August, right? So it's been 20 to 25 days, and I'm really happy that my channel grew very fast, and also I crossed the threshold of monetization and my channel got monetized. So I'm really happy. So yeah, and if you are thinking that oh, her channel has got monetized, so now she will earn so many, like a lot of money. So it is not like that. Channel got monetized means now you have to work harder than before. So yeah, I will try to work hard, I will try to make videos for you so that I can help you to improve your English. And like yeah, and if you want to know about my about my YouTube journey, I will definitely share with you in another video one day. Okay, so yeah, so many things had happened during my exams. My subscribers used to gain, and my watch hours used to gain. I always used to see my watch hours. I always used to check that how much subscribers I have gained, and I was getting distracted with these thoughts of my YouTube. So this is why I also deleted my YT Studio. You know, this is an app related to YouTube. So yeah, I tried to control myself, and yeah, these things had happened. And during my exams I used to think that when I will make YouTube videos, because I was in a flow, right? I was in a habit that I have to make videos every one day after one day. So it became my habit. Okay, so I was thinking like that when I will post videos, when I will create new videos, these things used to happen to me. And I was thinking that okay, I will make my video, like I will make videos after my exams. So yes, and also, you know guys, today I have received one comment, like that person was saying that are you using teleprompter? Like I was shocked, because I did not even know what is teleprompter. I did not know the meaning. So I went to Google and I searched, and it said me that teleprompter is something that gives the script on your screen while you record your video. I was just shocked. No bro, I don't use any teleprompter and I don't even write any script. Yeah, this is the reality. Honestly, I don't write any script too. So if you think that she writes script, she uses teleprompter, so it is completely wrong. And if you don't wanna believe me, I will never force you to believe me, because I know what I do, right? And yeah, so if you want to know that how I make videos without writing any script, without using teleprompter, so let me tell you. I decide any topic before making my video. Okay, I decide a topic before making my video. Then what I do, I try to think some points related to that topic. If I get some points by myself, then that's okay, I record my video by myself. Okay, and if I don't get so many points, then I go to ChatGPT and I type the topic and I just tell ChatGPT to give me some points related to the topic, and it gives me the point, so that I can keep those points in my mind while speaking. So yeah, this is the process, how I record my videos and how I speak. I just speak naturally, and yeah, it comes to my mind while speaking. So yeah, this is the way I speak. Like this is the way I speak. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know that my channel has been got monetized, and I'm really happy, and it was never possible without your support. Yes, you guys helped me a lot. During my exams, when I was not posting any videos, you guys still supported me. You guys still liked, commented and shared my videos. So I'm really grateful and thankful to you. Without your support, without your admiration, it was never easy and it was never possible. So yes. And also one thing I have learned, that consistency. Yes, consistency is how much important I have learned throughout my this 30-day English speaking journey. Because when I started my journey, you can watch the previous videos if you haven't watched yet. So when I started my 30-day English speaking challenge, that time I was not this much comfortable to speak in English in front of the camera. I wasn't this much fluent. I used to make so many mistakes. Yeah, still I make mistake, I know, but it is fewer, it is less mistake, right? And yeah, now I can speak confidently in front of the camera. Now I can speak without any hesitation, and I have become a bit fluent, I have become more fluent than before. I can feel it. So consistency is really important. If you also want to improve your English, just practice every day. Focus, mostly focus on speaking, because speaking is very important. Okay, so yeah, that's all about what I wanted to share with you. So yeah, these things had happened with me during my exams, and after my exams I went to my sister's home because she was sick. She had an operation, so I went to see her, and after that I returned to my home, and my exams has been ended. So it's been 5 days and I'm making the video today. Actually there were so many topics in my mind, and I was feeling lost. I was feeling hesitated and confused that on which topic I should make my first comeback video. So I thought that okay, let's share with you whatever things had happened with me and whatever things I have learned throughout my during this period of my break. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful and you have learned something from this video. If this, then let me know in the comments, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments. And also if you tell me some topics which you want me to explain for you, to help you with that topic, so yeah, you can definitely tell me in the comment box. So thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. So till then, bye.